Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Equity bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. First off, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in equitybank.com. It will take you to the official website of Equity Bank, and over here in this interface, you can see the login button at the top right corner. Click on it and choose your account type and click on login. Now in this login portal, enter the login ID of your account and enter the password of your account. You can check mark this remember me if you are using a private computer, but I do not recommend to do that in the public or shared computer. And once you do that, click on login button. You will be logged into your Equity bank account. And in case if you guys forgot your password, click here forgot your password to reset it. So this way you can log in into your Equity bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.